Good morning, all. This is Paul.
Hi, Paul. This is Asim.
Hey, Asim, how are you today?
Yeah, doing good. How are you doing?
Good, good. I had a we had the power out last night, so trying to get everything working again this morning. So my internet wasn't working when I first got up, so I had to reboot the router and all that good stuff. But it came back,
All right. So that's good.
and it got cold.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So, but it came back about it came back on about 5, I think. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. How was everyone's new year?
Good.
Good.
Trying
Yeah,
to
it
get
was
back
good.
in the swing of things.
Well, yeah, the this meeting at 7 a.m. and the TSC meeting and a few others I've had at early in the morning and kind of gets me back in the swing of things. That was something that it was a welcome relief. All these meetings, early morning meetings, not happening for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
All right, I don't have any agenda other than I did open and start reviewing, looking at the white paper.
Oh, good. Okay.
I could again use more help with that. Let me see if I can find that again and post it in here so we can all look at that. I don't know if you put it in the there it is. It's in the Linux Foundation one, not ours. That's why it's not easy to find. Copy, put it in the chat. But yeah, there are a couple of things we need to do. We need to get another. First thing I noticed is the list of members. We need to change that um, with the most recent logos. Those have left. I think it's Unifabrics that left is the only one that's not with us. Is that
Who
correct?
was it?
I think it's Unifabrics that it's no longer.
Oh, okay. They didn't renew last year?
They did not renew last year.
Okay. Did we already delete them from the website?
Do you believe we have about members?
Yeah.
Yes, we did.
Okay.
So yeah, that's that. And I mean, there are some sections that are marked as to do, so we need to uh, pass those out and have people work on them. And I'm not sure if to do means um, uh, that we need to that it's draft or it needs something else written. That like API and other working groups. I mean, that one definitely is a to do because there's nothing there. Um, but I don't know about the others. So far it's a look at each of the working groups is what's written. So and we've not heard I've got a task to update the slides for the board meeting, which I got up for on Monday at 6 a.m., but it wasn't Monday. It's going to be what, next Monday?
Oh, no.
So it got moved because of the holiday. I think it got moved to the did it get moved to the 17th? No, the 16th. It's 6 a.m. Tuesday the 16th because of MLK holiday on Monday the 15th.
Oh, got it.
That means I have a 3-day weekend. I like that. So I've got to get that taken care of. And it does not look like the Mobile World Congress member booth info sheet you sent out May. No one has filled anything out there.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna have to just go, I think,
one by one and figure
Yeah.
out who's doing what. Mhm.
and send out emails. Yeah.
The only response we got back was that NVIDIA did say that they weren't having a booth, but you found that they have a booth?
I
Or is
did.
this just a meeting room?
Um,
Because I remember him saying he had a meeting room, but maybe they upgraded to a booth and Alad doesn't know.
yeah, I'm not sure. I'll send him the information though so that he can track it down.
Okay.
The only so for ZTE, who would I reach out to? I'm not familiar with that rep.
I think it's Chen Hao. Let me I just had our website open. Hmm. Yeah, Hao Chen is the board member, and Songming Yan is on the TSC. And I don't know that we've ever had anybody on the outreach committee.
Okay. Do you mind sending me their email addresses so that I can send them an email and then I'll copy you?
Yeah, let's see if I have those.
Yeah, I'll need it's for the last three: ZTE, Fujitsu, and Hewlett Packard. I'm not familiar with who those reps are. I think everyone else I know. It's just those three.
Not finding their emails. Where would I find them? Maybe at the lists. And directory. That is not him. Not finding him in the list unless, of course, and there is it. Nope. Let's try. Neither of the folks from on the list in there. Okay. So who else were you needing? What other person?
It was ZTE, Fujitsu and Hewlett Packard. And Hewlett Packard, is that the same as HPE?
Yes.
It's just right now. Okay. Yeah, they look like they have 4 different booths. Maybe for different departments, I guess.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
So the only HPE info I have is that.
Okay.
Um, got no one from Fujitsu in the directory. So I have no one from Fujitsu and no one from ZTE on the lists.opiproject.org directory.
Okay.
I wonder if GitHub would have any OPI.
Okay. I'll text or I'll email Sridhar and see if he's got the contacts. Maybe he didn't sign them up yet. Although isn't there someone who's from Fujitsu on the board? There should be someone on the board, right?
No, I think
Yes, maybe. Sorry, maybe we can check the governing board. I can check that.
well, Fujitsu is a general member, so they don't automatically have someone on the board.
Oh, okay. Um, I see. Okay.
Here's another. So this gentleman from HPE has contributed to GitHub, Lula board, but let's see. No one from Fujitsu and no one from ZTE has contributed code yet or is using a ZTE or Fujitsu email address to do so.
Okay.
Sridhar would be probably the only one. He may have a list. There's got to be someone who's listed as a contact who paid the
Yeah.
money. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Some,
Okay. All right. I'll email him and see if he's got those contacts.
Mhm. I think Laura has been working with our person on so Laura Hendrickson could be
Uh-huh.
the 5 person to get the list of demos and that sort of stuff that we're doing. So
Okay.
I think she's been working with that person.
Okay. Great.
Interesting. HPE is going to buy Juniper, it looks like. So maybe we don't need to go after Juniper as a member. up as I was searching for things.
Interesting.
I don't have any other items. The only so we still haven't heard. We're assuming that because Laura hasn't heard back that there is no speaking slot at directly related to this at MWC.
Mhm.
I've not heard back from it's not Open Source Summit, is it? Or is it something else? It's Linux the Linux Foundation Summits.
Open networking.
Open networking. So you submitted a session. I've not heard back not yet. I think you said it was the 12th or the 16th is when we're going to hear.
I think so. Yeah. It was what, one summit?
Yeah.
We will know. Yeah, January 16th is when we'll be notified.
Okay. I have not heard anything. So,
Okay.
and I assume it would be both you and I that hear since you submitted and you put my name down.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. Sounds good. And that's in February, correct?
No, I think it was April.
April. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. It's in April because it's a different quarter. So I hadn't put in for travel for that yet. All right. If nothing else, we can call it a day and I've got another 40 minutes baked into my calendar to go look some more at this white paper.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.